we are going to do common denominators, which is very similar to what we just did in my last video that I sent to you. Okay, so we've got a fraction 1/5, and we have a fraction of 7/10. I can't add those together, can't subtract them apart because they're not the same denominator. We have to have the same denominator. Okay, so just like what we did a little while ago, we need to figure out. Wait a minute, these are the wrong numbers. Hold on. Should be 1/6 and 7/10. Okay, so we need to find the least common multiple of 6 and 10. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. All right, let's stop right there. So with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Well, what do you know? Okay, so now we have our least common multiple. Okay, but we're not done yet. So now what we need to do is we need to come down, and we're going to rewrite our 1/6, and we're going to just put a 30 right here because that's our least common multiple. We're going to do the same with 7/10. Okay, I'm going to put a 30 right there. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I need to figure out how I got to 30 from 6. Pardon that, it sounds like they're drilling something downstairs. What times 6 equals 30? Well, that's a pretty easy one. 6 times 5 equals 30. If I do it to the bottom, I have to do it to the top. 1 times 5 is 5. So now we've made an equivalent fraction. Okay, 1/6 is the same as saying 5/30ths. Same thing. Okay, now let's do the same thing over here. How did we get to 30 from 10? Well, multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. 10 times 3 is 30. 7 times 3 is 21. So our new fractions are 5/30ths and 21/30ths. They have the same denominator. That means now we have a common denominator. So we can add these now very easily. Okay? But we don't have to do that quite yet. Okay? So let's try another example here. Let's try 5/12 and 2/9. Let's go. 5/12 and 2/9. Okay, so I'm going to work on trying to find the lowest common multiple of 12 and 9. I'm going to start with the 9 because the lower number usually is easier. So I'm going to go 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 60, 54. Ooh, I missed one. 54. Okay, so let's try 12. 12, 24, 36, 48. I'm going to stop there because look, I found my lowest common multiple. So let's bring our 5/12 down, and let's bring our 2/9 down, and let's make this 36. Let's make this 36. Okay, so now I know 12 times what? Now, if I know you're pretty good at multiplication, so it's probably not a big deal for you. But if you get stuck, you can always go 1, 2, 3. Oh, I multiplied by 3. So I need to do the same to the top. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, so now I have 9 times what gave me 36. Again, if you don't know that it's 4, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to do the same to the top. 2 times 4 is 8. So your answer to this problem is 15/36 and 8/36. Whoop. That's going to be your answer. So when you're doing your homework, it looks like you had a spot to put in 2 answers. Okay. So I'm going to send you a couple of examples on this email as well. Send me those back and we'll check them, and then again we will see if Miss Skidmore will delete those out so that we can redo them. All right, buddy.